So after we configure our DC1's IP address from dynamic to static, we will proceed to our client's virtual machine and change the DNS settings to DC1's private IP address. The reason for that is because when we create our Windows virtual machine, the default virtual network or VNet DNS is from the Microsoft or the Azure DNS server. So basically, what we're going to do in this video is to change that and point to our client one Windows virtual machine DNS server to our domain controller, the one that we created, the DC1 domain controller server. We will change that and point it to the DC1 private IP address. And to do that, first you go to our client virtual machine, and then go to network settings, and I think it's in the network interface configuration. Then click the network interface or IP configuration, and then from here click IP config and change this to click IP config and then DNS server. In the left side you can see DNS server, click it, and then the default is inherit from the virtual network, so we will use the custom one. And then here we will type the IP address, the private IP address of our DC1. So we will go back to our virtual machines. First we will see what's the DC1 the domain controller private IP address. So this one, we will copy this. We will copy the private IP address, copy, and then go back, network settings, IP configuration, then DNS server custom, then paste here the IP address of our DC1 the domain controller, and then save it. And that's how you change the default DNS server and make it and change it to the DNS server of your domain controller. And that's it for this video. Peace.